Every week, Fox 13's Max Roth updates the number of new COVID-19 cases in Utah, county by county.
Really interesting when he lays out the numbers like that. This week, Max joins us with a look at very positive trends with one glaring exception. Max, that's what you're going to do, lay those numbers out and let us see what's going on.
You know what? And in just a moment, we're going to look at the most acute health crisis in Utah that is just glaringly obvious. But first, most Utah counties have very few confirmed cases of COVID-19, and it looks like the big counties really are seeing the curve angle downward. This chart shows the new weekly cases for the Wasatch Front Counties. The green and yellow at the bottom are Weber and Davis counties, and their numbers are staying low. And then when you look at this red, that's Utah County, and you can see in the last 3 weeks, they've been angling in exactly the right direction. Salt Lake County, more of a concern. The blue line here, a lot of cases, but still, they seem to have plateaued, and they seem to be angling down. Hopefully that continues. But it's in southern Utah where we have some of the real problematic trends. The blue is Washington County. Looks bad, and that is not a good trend with the cases increasing. The red, though, this one is San Juan County, and that's the real crisis. The reason is because Washington County actually has 10 times the population of San Juan County. So change the chart considering that. And look at this, Washington County, very few cases per 100,000 people. San Juan County, off the charts, especially for Utah. So why, with that in mind, is San Juan County now considered yellow or low risk? Well, the interim Utah Health Director, General Jefferson BURTON, answered that question last week.
There was an outbreak on the lower border of the county within a federal entity, not the county. The county itself, other than that little outbreak on the south end, has only had 4 cases. And so that weighed into the decision-making process.
He's talking about the Navajo Reservation, the portion of San Juan County south of the San Juan River. Now, the state health department's map for San Juan County carves out Blanding and Monticello here, and they have hardly any cases. Take a look at the numbers. Blanding and Monticello put together 5,693 people, 4 COVID-19 cases, a very low rate for the population. But outside of Blanding and Monticello, including the Navajo Reservation, 9,756 people, 223 cases. That is a high rate, 2,285 cases per 100,000 people. For comparison, New York City, 2,282, slightly less, a lower rate per 100,000 residents. That's a serious crisis on the reservation. So when we say San Juan County is yellow, we're saying the 2 big towns in San Juan County are yellow, low risk. The part of that county that is the Navajo Reservation land is not part of our equation, even though it is in our state, and it is in crisis. Live in the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.